Hey guys, Amy with my couponingbuddy.com here. This Airwick deal is amazing. It keeps getting better and better. The first time I went to the website, it let me print a $2.50 off 2 starter kit coupon. But then I went back yesterday and there was a $2 off 1 starter kit coupon. And then we have a $2 coupon in the purple flyer for $2 off any one Airwick scented oil starter kit, which this guy is. So if you can print the $2 coupon, it's a moneymaker. The $2.50 off 2 coupon makes it like $1.04 because this coupon is limit 1 per household per day. I'll put the link to the website below this video. Happy couponing. Oh, and this deal's going on now until October 18th.